Now let's talk about the nature process of convection. The process of convection happens in our nature due to in the day and the night. Okay, so the first we will discuss about the convection process which happens during the daytime. Now during the daytime, compare the land and the water bodies. Okay, and it is happen in coastal areas, because the coastal areas you get to have water bodies as well as land. What exactly happen in during the daytime? During the daytime, due to the presence of sun, it happens land heat up more quickly when compared to the water bodies. Okay, so this is a land and this is a water bodies. Land get heated up more quickly. Okay, now what happened? When land get heated up more quickly, the air rises up. Okay, then air rises up, it moves up. Now the hot air moves up. What happened? A vacuum get here. What happened when hot air moves up? What happened? The vacuum is created here. So who fills that vacuum? That vacuum is filled by the cool air which is coming from the sea. So therefore the air flowing from the cold sea towards the land, and that's how this air fill up the space. The cold air fill up the space. So cold air flowing from a water towards the land, this is known as sea breeze. Understood? Means cold air coming from the sea and hot air coming from the land towards the sea, and the cold air coming from the sea towards the land. So when cold air coming from the sea towards the land, this process is known as sea breeze. Understood? What happens during night time? Exactly the opposite thing happen during night time. Okay, at night the land gets colder quickly than the sea. Okay, land gets colder quickly than the sea. When the land become cold quickly, comparatively the ocean is hot. Okay, when the land is cold, that time the ocean is hot. And you know that hot air is moving on. Again hot air is moving on and rises up. Again the vacuum is created here, and this vacuum is filled by the cold air which is coming from the land. So in this case you see the cool air is flowing from the land towards the sea, and this is known as land breeze. Why land breeze? Because cool air is flowing from the land towards the sea. That's why it is known as land breeze. Okay, so what do you have? A land breeze. Land breeze happens as night time, land to sea, from the land in to the sea. Okay, so now if you see the both process of conduction and convection, you see the both of them need medium to transfer of the heat. Okay,